This is my car and her name is Secret. Comment below. So this is my cat. So that's my cat. Yes guys. So gabi na pala siya guys. So, time check tayo guys. So, it's already 8:28 ng gabi. Babat ako guys. Labat yan! So, ayun yung cellphone ko. Ay, ito yung TV na. Dahil sa nerd. Ulit tayo sa pusa kong magaling. So, this is our Wi-Fi. So, I don't have any problem about the data. So, yan. Basta din ako magiging na siya. Ang hirap magiging live. Ito yung sarili ko. Pero huwag nyo lang pansinin na kasi ito. So, ito yung baby ko. Nanonood siya kay Papa. So, yan siya. Hindi niya pa binawasan yung pagkain niya. Sarap-sarap niya. Ito yung water niya, water dispense. I don't know. Yan siya. Alam nyo guys, may prank ako sa kanya. Didikita natin siya dyan. Malambing yan eh, malambing. Ayaw mo maglambing. Ayun niya guys, so medyo ano to guys, so bali medyo matagal medyo siguro, I don't know. So but guys, I'm going for this. Oh my gosh,
Hey, today pulled the carbonara with spam and onigiri.
I see your face, and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open.
Eh, three reasons why.
so guys, I don't have any account, so you cannot follow me. So
When you have a
so guys, look at this. What my mom is played this. Oh my god. Yeah, she played that. Blacks. So, dito lang tayo guys sa classic. So, tuturuan ko kaya kung paano. So, natalo agad. Wala pa akong ginagawa. I don't know, pero di ko lang. So, yan. So, first,
Good.
Good. Good. Good. Good. Great. Good.
So, tara, pumasok na nga tayo sa totoong pakay. So, guys, ganito kasi. Sumabog yung ano ko, electric pan. Inayos na yan, guys. So, ayos. Mamasa pala si Summer. Summer. Ano ba si Summer? I don't really think, guys, kasi kung andun po, guys, si Summer. Matuloy na kasi. Ano siguro yun si Summer. Hey! Pasok yung isa kong pusa. Ibaw siya. So, siguro ito na lang. And bye-bye.